Wardrobe, the restroom. It's a beautiful morning. But yeah, you. Hi guys, we've come to Meadow Bay to have fun. This guy slept all through, man. I couldn't vlog while driving, so that is why. Where is Nathan? Nathan and mommy. Where is Nathan? Come on, let's go down. I'll keep the rest of the camera in the box. Nathan! Wow! Wow! Are you excited? Are you excited? Huh? Are you excited, Nathan?
Don't mind me, guys. I was just excited to, enjoy a well-deserved staycation at our gorgeous Meadow Bay Village in the Billing Aquadrome in the city of Northampton. So as soon as we arrived at this location, it was just beautiful. The vibe was just so right. It was peaceful. It was very scenic. It was so perfect for unwinding. It was great. We had a beautiful time. Okay, so one of the biggest highlights for me was the fact that there is a big park. This green park inside this what's it called? Inside this venue, right? And trust me, they could stay here all day. They were climbing frames, climbing on horses, swings, so much open space to run around. Then here I am trying to entertain them. I mean, we are here for fun. Why not?
Bye bye, see you next time.
Then here we go, trying to check into the caravan that we had booked.
It's supposed to be a caravan, to be fair, but I think this is not a caravan. This is more like a, should I say, wooden house? Remember, after now, we now saw like some caravans here.
Yeah, but is this not a caravan?
This is more like a wooden house, to be fair, or probably a caravan. They now put wood on top. So yeah.
So as soon as we arrived, the home was already looking so cozy. We checked into our lodge, and it was so perfect. It was modern. It was spacious, and it has a lovely deck on it. And here is the toilet and the bath. Then here we go.
Boys, why are you quarreling? Why are you fighting?
And here is the bedroom. So modern. It was just all that that one could ever ask for.
It's got the upper panel.
So it is on hot water only at the moment. If it does get cold, put that over. Yeah. And then just use that to control your radiators. Alright.
Oh, okay. So this is hot?
That's just water.
Oh, this is just water, yeah?
Just water.
Yeah.
And that one is radiators.
Oh, okay.
That is as well. We'll leave it on that. Alright.
Yeah, we'll leave it on the normal one, just water.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, are you happy? Yeah. Okay. What? Okay, that's how that works. Should I say fortunately or unfortunately? What do you think?
So they took us to the wrong lodge. This was not actually our lodge. So we had to drive down to the lodge that we had paid for, which is about, I think, how many kilometers? How many miles away?
I don't even know how to calculate the miles.
Yeah,
I know it's
no,
like
not
1
quite
minute
far.
ride.
Yeah, it's a 1 minute ride. But the good thing about this is that this has a children park right in front of our lodge, and a private car park for us to
Yeah.
park our car, which is, a plus actually.
Yeah, the other one has like more like a general car park. You can't park right in front of the lodge.
Yeah.
But this one you can park right in front of the lodge, and there's a kids park.
So I'll show you how to work the cooker. That one there turns it on. That one there selects your hob, and then just simply up and down.
Yeah.
Don't get hot until you put a pan on, alright?
Okay.
Once the pan's on, it'll start working.
Yeah, that's fine.
And then just in that cupboard, you've got a ninja air fryer.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
We need what?
Air fryer.
Cool. That's it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Have a great time, guys.
Thank
Keep
you.
on there. Go for
Is
back
there
there.
because I've got a laptop.
Yeah.
Is there a YouTube stuff here?
YouTube
Or
got
I can connect my laptop there.
Yeah.
I think if it's got YouTube, that's fine anyway.
It's already got YouTube.
And there's got Wi-Fi, is it?
Yeah. So the Wi-Fi code is on the house.
On the house.
That's fine.
It's the same thing, to be fair. To be fair, this is a very, very nice place. I'll tell you for a fact. That's where we park our car, and then these are the caravans. This is not a caravan. This is just like a shelter or something. There is a playing ground right in front of it, which makes it amazing, super amazing. And then you can park your car right in front of your caravan. Yeah. Here is a playing ground. There are loads and loads of car right there. Loads and loads of caravan right there. Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys a lot and a lot and a lot. Anyway, it's time to offload.
Let's go.
Beautiful morning. Oh my god. Wow. Pẹ́pẹ́ ya ayé o. Ẹ ṣe tèmi lówùúrọ̀ yìí o. Ẹ̀yin ìyá mi. Ẹ̀yin mo jí rí.
The scripture recorded that he sits in heaven and the earth is his footstool. That tells us that he controls the affairs both in heaven and on earth. So if you understand that there's a God that controls the heavens and the earth, then
Let's talk about that church. We went to one amazing church. That church, they're supposed to close around what time? What time, sir? I think they're supposed to close 12. We ended up closing around that kind 2 o'clock. And it's never that 2 o'clock we closed it. We had to run away from that. It is well. They were ready to sleep there. Like, they don't want to go out. So we decided to just keep, of course, what we came here to do is come and play. Guys, no agree. And then we looked out for a swimming pool. Took them out. They were a little bit scared, but then still tried to swim with them and have fun. Hello, Nathan.
Who is that?
Say cheese.
Who is that?
Let you wear.
Who is that? I don't like showing my face. I'm a celeb. Celebrity ni mo. I'm a go-to me.
Have you? Rule for grandma.
And clap.
Rule for papa.
And clap.
Rule for Nathan.
And clap. You joking? I Ethan what? Is your Ethan?
Is your pizza? Oh yeah, in Bejeja wọlé lọ. Nathan, let's go inside. Ethan, let's go inside. Ready? Sorry, brother, not friend. And that is the end of Solomon Grandin.
So, from the peaceful mornings, the laughter at the park, our stay here was exactly what we needed. It was a mix of relaxation, adventure, and, a real family time. So if you're looking for, a UK staycation that has something for everyone, this is not a paid advert anyway. For kids, for adults, if you love natures and you love to have fun, Meadow Bay Village is your bet. It's in Northampton. That should be on your list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more family adventures. Bye-bye.
Say bye, Nathan. Say bye.
One, press.